What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a collab video I did with Hester23BearsCH. Let's do it. So the way we formatted it is that he did the performance and I'm going to be showing you the tutorial for the trick. So if you guys have not seen the video on his channel, I'll put a link on the screen and in the description. So you can go make sure and check that out before continuing with this video. Otherwise, you're just watching a tutorial. That would just make no sense. So see the performance first, go check it out, then come back. Now, assuming that you guys already did that, let's continue on with the tutorial. Okay, so let's get around to getting this trick done. Of course, we start off by having the spectator shuffle up the deck, or you shuffle up the deck yourself, and then have a card selected. Very standard stuff. So in this case, it's the Four of Hearts. Now, of course, this trick is based off a soulmate trick. So the next thing we have to do is go into the deck and locate the Four of Diamonds, just to show the spectator that we're going to see where the soulmate of the Four of Hearts is. So we go through the deck, and there's the Four of Diamonds. Now, when I'm performing this trick, what I like to do is I like to show the spectator I have the Four of Diamonds here, somewhere around the, I guess, 2/3 of the way into the deck. And while I'm doing this, you're going to have to perform the Cull. Now, the Cull pretty much is, when you have the card here, let's say Four of Diamonds right here, you're going to pull the card from the back like this and push it onto the top. Now, I have a very in-depth tutorial on doing the Cull, so if you don't know how to do that, I'll put the link on the screen so you can go check that out. Right, so all you're doing here is when you're showing the spectator Four of Diamonds, you're pulling it back and moving it all the way to the top of the deck. Now, of course, the spectator should not be knowing that you did that. They should just think the card is where it is. And then you can give the deck a shuffle, maintaining that Four of Diamonds on top of the deck. Right, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Right, so now you know that their card is on top of the deck, the Four of Diamonds, which is the soulmate of the card the spectator picked, the Four of Hearts. So now what I like to do here is I like to tell the spectator, so the Four of Diamonds is somewhere in the deck and you have picked the Four of Hearts. Now we're going to try to get these cards to come together somewhere in the center of the deck. And now what you're doing here is you're getting a break underneath this top card here, right? Getting a break underneath the soulmate card, putting this card on top. And the best way to distract someone while doing this is to talk to them, look them in the eye, and this way, they don't really get suspicious of what you're doing. So boom, you're here. Take it, put it over to the side, and you could even hand the deck over to the spectator and let the spectator shuffle up the deck. So let's say they shuffled it up. Right, and they should be fairly satisfied because there's no way you can have control of the shuffle. Right, so now the next step is to pick up this double, and I think the most effective way, so you don't want it splitting like this, the most effective way I think to pick it up is once you've put it down here, you want to grab by the corners, press down with your pointer finger, and this way it's there and the chances of it separating are very low. So you can do it that way. Now these cards are a bit old, so they're like this. So you can see that they don't really match properly. But if the cards are not bent, you're going to be completely fine. Right, so now when you're picking up the card, you want to make sure you press down and then pick up. This way, because if you just go straight to picking up, you might separate the cards. So pressing down ensures they stay together, and then pick them up. Tell a spectator to cut somewhere in the deck. Let's say they cut here, put the card here. Oops. And boom, close it up. My God, why is this happening? Okay. And then you can tell the spectator, do like a magic fancy move or something you want to do. Okay, let's do that again. Magic fancy move. Spread the cards out and show we have the Four of Hearts here. And the Four of Hearts actually found its soulmate, which is the Four of Diamonds. And that is the tutorial. So that is it for this video. A huge shout out to Hester23BearsCH for letting me do this collab video with him. He has a fantastic channel, so if you guys have not seen his other videos, I highly recommend. He has some great videos that you can check out. Alright, so that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel and get some cool perks while doing that. So I'll put the link to that in the description, and also in the description I have the link to all my social media. So make sure to go follow me on that for all my status updates. And that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.